talking about these bad boys today. They can make your diet a shed load healthier. Hi guys, it is Rob Elford, the fitness and mindset coach today, and a really quick video today. I just thought I'd do a little quick video on eggs. Eggs are epic, absolutely epic, and if you can get them in your diet, you will reap the rewards, and for a number of different reasons. So let's start with reason one. Eggs are absolutely awesome form of protein, and generally what we find when we start setting people up on their training plans and more importantly their diet plans, we realise that they simply do not have enough protein in their diet, especially at breakfast times. So most people will generally have, bread, toast, they might have cereals, all very, very, very heavy in carbs and pretty much zero protein. Just by taking on a couple of eggs can massively increase your protein, and that will make you feel fuller for longer. You must have heard before, the more protein you can take on, the more full you're going to feel, the less chance you're going to get that 11 a.m. hit where you need, bloody hell, I need chocolate now, or I need some carbohydrates now. Because basically what it does is protein helps stabilise your sugar levels, so your blood glucose levels in the body for longer than if you just spike them with carbs first thing. So, in terms of grams of protein in an egg, you can normally get between 6 and 8 grams of protein in an egg, which is a very, very high protein source. So if you can have 2 or 3 of these in the morning, fantastic. Now, a lot of people say to me, Rob, I cannot be asked to boil an egg in the morning. No problem at all. If you like scrambled eggs, what I do in the morning, super easy. Crack 4 of these bad boys into a Tupperware container, chuck it in the microwave for a minute, bring it back out, whisk it up again, back in for another minute, perfect scrambled eggs. That's 2 minutes. 2 minutes out of your day. I do it with 4 eggs. That's nearly 32 grams of protein done basically in the locker after breakfast. So if you can get these in your diet, I'll tell you what, you'll be onto an absolute winner.